Katina, and in this song tutorial, we are going to learn how to play O Tannenbaum, otherwise known as O Christmas Tree. We are going to start on that low G below the break and not go over the break the entire time, so this is a nice and easy clarinet song. On low G, F, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Lift up your bottom 3 fingers for C, 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 your third finger for D, and then your second finger for E, E, E. Stay on the E, drop your second for the D, back to E, lift up your index finger for your F, so just your thumb down in the back, and then you'll go to a B right here, so it's your second finger in your right hand, lifting up the B for the D, and landing on the C. Now you're going to play that whole thing again from the beginning. G, C, 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 D, E, 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 D, E, F, B, D, C. Open G right here, G, E, roll to the A with the side of your fingers, open G, G, F, F. F, F, D, G, F, F, E, E. And once again, you're going to play that A theme from the beginning. G, C, 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 D, E, 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 D, E, F, B, D, C. Now I'll play the whole thing straight through for you from the beginning so you can hear it all together and see the fingerings all together. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Be sure to subscribe by hitting that clarinet hand icon over there. And happy clarinetting. Bye.